If you're encountering subscription errors on GreenSky, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause subscription errors. Restart your router or switch to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the GreenSky app. Go to your device's App Store, search for GreenSky, and update the app if an update is available. Step 3. Clear cache and data. For mobile users, clearing the app's cache and data can resolve many issues. Go to your device settings, find the GreenSky app and select the options to clear cache and data. Step 4. Re-log into your account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to GreenSky's customer support. Provide them with details of the error message and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve subscription errors on GreenSky efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.